morning student. Today we start chapter 9 rational number. In previous class, not previous, in class 6 you learned about natural number, natural number start we represent by n and start from 1, 2, 3 dash dash. Whole number we represent with w and whole number start from 0 and other numbers are natural number. That means we tell 0 and n. Third is integer. Integer we represent with I. All negative numbers -3, -2, -1, 0 and all positive number are integers. Then fraction, any number we represent in fraction a upon b. This is numerator and this is denominator. And a and b are natural number. Example 2 by 3, 2 by 5 and so on. Eleven by 8, the 2 by 3 and 2 by 5 are proper number. When numerator is less than denominator, and 11 by 8, 7 by 5 are improper. Fraction, improper fraction, and these are here the numerator is greater than denominator. We change into mixed fraction. These fraction we change into mixed fraction. For example, 7 by 5 we change 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 2 by 5. This fraction is mixed fraction. Need of rational numbers. In our daily life, we come across many situations where we have to calculate measure of length, distance, time in fraction. We can represent the distance between object A and B in fraction. If the distance between object A and B is 200 meter, then we change into kilometer and we can write 200 by 1000 kilometer or 1 upon 5. Rational number. Next topic is rational number. rational number we represent by p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Rational number is a fraction, a part of fraction where q is not equal to 0. Write the definition of rational number. The number of the form p upon q, where q is not equal to 0, are called rational number. Equivalent rational number. When we multiply any rational number in numerator and denominator by same number like 2, 3, 4, then we get equivalent rational number. For example, minus 2 by 7. To find equivalent rational number to minus 2 by 7, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Then we get minus 4 by 14. Minus 4 by 14 is equivalent to minus 2 by 7. If minus 2 by 7 we multiply 3 by 3, we get minus 6 by 21. This is equivalent to 4 by 14, and this is also equivalent to 2 by 7. So to find equivalent rational number, we multiply numerator and denominator both by same number. In equivalent rational number, for example, 5 upon 4. Here 16. This question is in Trivides, page number 175. Is equal to 25 upon this box is equal to minus 15 upon this box. To find this filled place, we find equivalent fraction 5 by 4. In 4, in denominator, we multiply by 4. So we get 16. So we multiply in numerator 4 also. 5 4s are 20. So here answer is 20. Here 25. If we multiply 5 2 by 5, we get 5 5s are 25. Then we multiply denominator by 5 also. We get 5 4s are 20. And here is minus 15. So to find minus 15, we multiply 5 3s are 15. But here is minus 15, so we multiply 5 into minus 3. So we multiply in 4 by 4 into minus 3, we get minus 12. Then minus 15 by 12. Then this is your homework. Next question, minus 3 by 7. This is A, B. Minus 3 by 7 is equal to 14 is equal to 9 upon this box is equal to minus 6 upon this box. This is your homework. You do yourself. Next, positive and negative rational number and negative rational number. Positive and negative rational number. If, for example, we take 5 by 4, this number. Here numerator is positive and denominator is positive. Both are positive, so this rational number is called positive rational number. If minus 1 by 2, for example minus 1 by 2, numerator is negative and denominator is positive, then this rational number is negative rational number. If 3 upon minus 5, here denominator is negative and numerator is positive, then we call 3 upon 5 is negative rational number. Page number 176, try this. Is your homework, and two try these are there. Is minus 8 is negative rational number, and least you do yourself. Rational number on the number line. Next topic is rational number on number line. You know, represent the integer on the number line. So we draw a number line. We know that on number line we put 0 in the middle. Right hand side number are positive number, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, and left hand side are negative number, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like this. And next topic is rational number in standard form. Rational number in standard form. Any rational number like 6 by 8 is a rational number. To find in standard form, we divide both number by same number. Like 6 by 8, 6 is divisible by 2 and 8 is also divisible by 2. So we divide both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So we get 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the standard form of 6 by 8. Next is 15 by 45. So we divide both rational number by same number. 15 is divisible by 3 and 45 is also divisible by 3. So we divide 15 to 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1s are 5 3s are. We divide by 3 both numerator and denominator. Then we divide 5 both numerator and denominator. So we get 1 by 3 is the standard form. A rational number is said to be the standard form if its denominator is the positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Comparison of rational number. Comparison of rational number. Rational number have compared by writing the given rational number such that their denominator are positive, writing the rational number such as they have common denominator, comparing the numerator such that the new number having greater number is the greater rational number. Writing the given rational numbers such that their denominators are positive and they have common denominator, and comparing the number such that number having greater number is the greater rational number. And next is rational number between two. To find rational number between two rational numbers. We know that the number of integers between two integers are limited or finite, but we have find unlimited or infinite number of rational number between two given rational number. For example, -2 and -1. To find between these two rational number, two methods are there. First is formula of these number a plus b by 2. A is first rational number and b is second rational number. A is first rational number and b is second rational number. But this process is lengthy, so we find shortcut of these number. For example, -2 and -1. Second method is -2 by 1. We write first rational number to -2 by 1 and -1 by 1. We multiply both rational number by 10 by 10. We multiply numerator by 10 and denominator by 10. Here we multiply numerator by 10 and denominator by 10. -2 by 1, we multiply 10 by 10, we get -20 by 10. And -1 by 1, multiply 10 by 10, we get -10 by 10. Here both denominator is equal. Then we compare -20 and -10. We find -20 and -10. In between -10 and -20, we get 9 rational number. -11 by 10, -11 by 10, -12 by 10, -13 by 10, -14 by 10, and -19 by 10. If we multiply 10 by 10, 20 by 20, then we get more rational number. If we multiply 100 by 100 in both numerator and denominator, then we get more rational number between them. So we can find any two integer or two rational number infinite. So we can say infinite rational number. Between two rational number. Now we start exercise 9.1. Question number 1. 9.1, question number 1. First is list 5 rational number between -1 and 0. So for like example, we write -1 by 1 and second rational number is 0 by 1, and we multiply to find 5 rational number, we multiply 10 by 10 both rational number. So we get -10 by 10 and 0 by 1 we multiply 10 by 10. Here 0 tens are 0 by 10. So minus 10 between 10 by 10 and 0 by 10. Between rational number are minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 4 by 10 and minus 9 by 10. So we write 5 rational numbers. We choose any 5 numbers. B is your homework. Second is your homework. This is first. Then C, minus 4 by 5, minus 4 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. In this rational number, denominator is different. So we find first LCM. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. We find LCM. There is no common factor, so we directly multiply. Then 4 upon 5, we multiply to get 15. 3 upon 3, so we get minus 12 by 15. And minus 2 upon 3, we multiply 5 upon 5, we get minus 10 by 15. In minus 10 and minus 12, minus 10 by 15 and minus 12 by 15, denominator is equal. So minus 10 and minus 12 is only one rational number, is minus 11 by 15. But to find 5 rational number, we multiply minus 12 by 15 to 10 by 10. We get minus 120 by 150. And minus 10 by 15, we multiply 10 by 10 because denominator is equal. Then we compare. Then 150 is minus 100. Then minus 100 and minus 120. We get 19 rational number. They are minus 101 by 150, minus 102 by 150 and minus 119 by 150. We choose any 5 rational number. And D is your fourth one, is your homework. This is not C, third.